So how do you upload a passport to your portal? The first step is to get a passport first. Change the name. You can right click on it. Change the name to your matric number, NOU, in small letter like this. Then go to your portal and log in. You log in. It complains of many things. This person, it says, please upload your most recent photo. Now, this is actually someone that she got admission 2015 and dropped, and then when she heard about me about that, she called me, and then I reactivated her portal. So now the portal is asking for a new photo. So to upload a new photo, you go to registration, click on upload your photo. Upload your photo. Then here it also gives you a brief hint on how to upload the photo. It says select photo to upload. Photo name must be your matric number in lowercase form. NOU XXX is giving you example of how to change. The name must be. So that's the basic requirement for that. Then you go to choose file. Now we kept the picture on the desktop, so we go to desktop. We'll find the passport, which is this, and we want to use. Then we'll click on open. The passport name appears here. Then you go here and click on submit. That's it. Just wait for the system. Within a short while to be uploaded on the system, and look at this. The file NOU has been uploaded. Then you can go back to your portal to check if it actually worked. Go back to your portal homepage. Just click on this back. Now it's complaining of one thing: wallet not yet created. To create your wallet is just to fund it. That's it. Can you see what I'm seeing here? Perfect.